Camp 101, everything you need for planning your next camping trip. If you love to spend time outdoors, taking in everything that nature has to offer, then give camping a try. The following video has guidelines for what you should be doing and planning for before and during your big trip. If you are prepared, camping is great fun and worth the effort you put into it. When packing for your camping trip, make sure to pack either a pair of flip-flops or water shoes. These will come in handy in and around the campground. For instance, if you are staying in a campground that has bathroom facilities and you plan on taking a shower, you need to wear shoes in the shower to protect your feet from foot fungus. Leave no trace of your outing at your campsite, for environmental reasons and as a courtesy to park officials who clean up and the next camping crew. Make sure all trash is picked up, you refill holes you may have dug, and of course, that your campfire is completely out. Include the family in the selection of the campsite. Engage in conversation about what state and location they would like to visit. Choosing one can be really hard in the United States, given how many places there are to go. To aid in this decision, you may want to offer a few of those that you personally like the best and then let each family member vote. Before you start out on that relaxing camping trip, it is essential for your safety to make sure to let someone know you are going. Give a friend or neighbor the name of the campsite if you are using one. If you are headed out on a less structured trip, give your contact a general idea of where you are headed and a timeline for your return. If something goes wrong, there will be someone to know where to look for you. As you have read from the above video, camping is a great way to spend relaxing time outdoors. By following the tips outlined, you will be ready for most of what nature has to throw at you. Even that sudden downpour won't dampen your spirits or ruin the special time you had planned so hard for. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.